Hello everyone, my name is Oswald Pekani and this is my very first video being recorded for projects. So what I'm gonna be doing is, currently there is all this AI buzz going on and I am a developer and I want to do a lot of automations for companies and pretty much develop websites that convert, and this will be my very first video to do some projects to showcase some of my work, because apparently I like projects, although I've had quite experience in working with automations, designing content and all that stuff. But let's just get into it and see how this goes. So this is my very first one, and yeah, I hope you bear with me here. As you can see, even the backgrounds and everything is not super, as in that I'm using my phone actually to record this. So let's get into it. I'm gonna be putting these on LinkedIn, probably Facebook and YouTube as well, because they're gonna be long form type videos, maybe 8 to 10 minutes. So probably 1 or 2 every week, I would say, in accordance to time. But yeah, so in this project what we're doing is we're automating a booking system for a company. So I've just called it a dairy bean kind of thing. It's like a small restaurant, so to say. So I'm just gonna share quick my screen here, show you how this is done. This is being done in a platform called N8N. That's what it's called. And what this system does, or the platform does, is a very good workflow, because it combines like a lot of AI features that you can run into, a lot of models, and do certain functionalities. So for this one is a chatbot that is automated on the web. I'm gonna showcase the test in a minute, but simply put, this is the little flow. You have your AI message trigger here, so that's where it's starting. That's your trigger, and then it's connected to an AI agent, and this agent handles your conversations, and then it handles let's say booking, and then it handles checking if, let's say, there are some double bookings and stuff like that. So you have your chat Gemini. That's what I'm using here, Google Gemini, for the chat model. It's simple and fast, and it's free, of course, at the time. You have a simple memory that's storing the conversations that you're running through, and these are only stored for security purposes. You have to explain this, the way AI is handling this data. It only handles the data until you leave. Once you close that window, that's gone. Unless you want to have like dedicated memory, we can do that too, but for now that's all it's doing. Next, you have a booking tool. So at the moment I've connected to an Excel sheet, but it can be anything like Slack, it can be ActiveCampaign, it can be HubSpot, pretty much your CRM, whichever you're using. Zapier, that's the beauty of this system. It's combined, it's connected, like you can integrate with other tools, and it's using APIs to handle all this data. I think I just kicked my camera there, right there. Okay, so that's pretty much the breakdown of the thing, of the system. I'm just gonna give you a quick preview of how it works. We come in here. I already ran one previously. It's actually my second take. It's not easy recording these videos. Usually I used to say all the YouTubers have it easy. Not really. It is a bit of a chore. Okay, so you have your 24/7 video. You have, hi there, welcome to Daily Bean. I can help you book a table. Tell me your name, date, time, and how many people will join you, so to get a booking, right? I think I have to add a feature for availability as well. That's a good one. I didn't think about that. I was just thinking of getting the shell of it and putting it out, so I have something built rather than just talk about it. Send it in any order you like. I'll check availability right away. Okay, so what it's doing right now, like, it's just checking the variable dates, but it's not showing you as in a booking system of a date. I guess that concludes that, though. That's within the logic. Yeah, that is within the logic, because it does check, but I was only thinking in terms of duplicates. I've added the feature without even knowing it. So what I did was, in here in the chatbot and the read booking tool, what this one is doing is, go back to it there. Say from registered booking board, that's the Excel sheet that's going through. But what it's doing, the operation that it's running, the logic behind is that it just gets the row, and then it gets the row within the Excel file and sees the data that's within that Excel file. If it matches with another data, it will give you to say, no, that's already been taken, please choose another. It is already included in there. Okay, so let's just give this a try. I'm gonna say, hi, give me a table. I've put give me there instead of book because, you know, people can type all type of things. So I just want to see how smart the AI can be on this here. Give me a table on the, let's say, 26th of December at, let's say, 07:30 p.m. and for, let's say, 3 people, right? Let's see that. What is your name? Okay, my name is Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean, the comedian. I like that guy. And let's see. Okay, Mr. Bean, your table for 3 people on the 26th of December at 7 p.m. is confirmed. Perfect. Now, let's see if that logic I was talking about to check availability. Put the same text in and voila. Let's see what that says. The table 26th of December is already taken. Please choose another time slot. That's good. But what I can do is to make it better, which I'm gonna make a video about it later on, is add another feature within the AI to say down here to give points to say these are available time slots. So let's say there is 7 or I say 8 or 8 p.m. giving 30-minute interval. Let's say there is 8:30, 9:30, and so on and so forth, and that gives them a bit of time to choose here from themselves, other than for the person to be entering. Okay, now try. Okay, let's just say, okay, give me the. Let's just say, okay, how about 8 p.m. Is this available? We have an error. Okay. So what does that say? Yes, 8:30 p.m. is available. Can I confirm your booking? What's with all these tools here? Okay, so it's pretty much reading everything within the table to check the first table. These are okay, so I'll go here and show you what I mean. So there already some data in there, and yeah, it's pretty much going in, seeing all this data right here, and then checking to see and putting it in the chat. That is not good. You don't want customers to see that. I can fix that later on, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So you say yes, that works, right? And confirm Mr. Bean, your table for 3 on 26th of December 8 p.m. is booked. But the only problem here is it's bringing in all these other tools. I'm gonna make another video showing how you run diagnostics to deal with that data. So like to take out this whole thing over there, so it only brings out this text right here, you know. But that's a good thing that I didn't even see, because when I was testing, you know you're the developer, so you know what you're testing for. But this is why you have people who are testers for jobs like these, so they can run this, you know. It's one of those little memes where the developer and the project designer have done their thing going, and it's all dandy in the testing phase, and once you go to production, the whole thing falls down. So yeah, this is just one of the examples for that. But yeah, as you can see there, it does confirm, it checks if the booking is available first and foremost. The first one, it books you in, and then you run the same test. It tells you to say that date is already taken, choose another time slot, and I gave it a little bit of a tricky question. You say, okay, how about 8 p.m. is this available? And it went straight into the database, pulled all the available data that's in there. That's row 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So that's 4 rows available. Let's go here and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's all the data available. And then says 8 p.m. is available. Can I confirm the booking? And then you go, yes, that works. Confirm, Mr. Bean, your table is your table for 3 on the 26th of December. 8 p.m. is booked. So that's pretty much how this little automation works. I can fix that little error there where it's not even an error, it's just that it's showing information that's not supposed to be shown at all. That's a backend thing to deal with. But yeah, that's my first AI agent being built, an autonomous one. I've done automations before, but I wasn't using them as a chat system for the AI. So this is good. I think it was a success. I hope you'll keep track of my projects. If you have comments, please comment away. If you have suggestions, please comment away. If you have I don't know, anything that you feel like I can improve on, throw that in there as well. If you're using N8N, and as I said, this is a new platform for me, there's a lot for me to learn. Please throw in all some of the projects that you have going. At the moment, I think I have planned for I'm making an inventory project that's tracking inventory. So it could be like for a warehouse, you know, it can be for like I don't know, Amazon shop, whatever it is. You know, I'm gonna do one for handling payment systems. I have a few lined up really. But yeah, this is my very first video, guys. I hope this gives you an idea of what I'm doing, and yeah, I'm hoping for your support. Ozzy signing out.